Alright gang, this is going to be a combination video, combination unboxing, and a huge thank you, a half-gallon thank you to Wes. I helped him out and he sent me some Vermont maple syrup. Can't wait to tear into that. Thank you very, very much, Wes. He sent along a note, just a quick one. Small gift to say thanks from a Model 19 help, Wes. Well, I'm glad I was able to help, Wes. And this is from Willie CK. He has a channel of his own. Go check it out. He does a bunch of small engine videos too. I believe he converted a Vanguard to propane. We've got to see what we've got in here. Alright, we've got a note to start with. Let me read it here real quick. Some more parts I don't need. 3-leg coil, I believe it's for Briggs. Later year cast iron 10 to 16 horse brakes, coil and intake, carb parts from the last package. Plate isn't sentimental, literally dug it up out of the ground. That's right, I remember him saying something about it. Sticker had 74 on it. Don't know the age of it. Cleaning out my shed to make a little more room for other parts. From Willie CK. Willie, thank you very, very much, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, and I got free wood. I don't know how to take that, getting wood from a guy. Just kidding. Pressure treated. He broke that piece. I can actually use those, believe it or not. Use them underneath my jack stands when I'm out on soft ground. So, thanks for the wood. Here's the plate that he dug up, and it's in an old wife beater. That is a plate now. I'm telling you, I'm not even going to try to straighten that one out. Not even going to try to straighten it out. I'm going to find a good place for that one. That one's been run through the ringer. That's incredible. Funny. Thank you, Willie, very, very much. And then we have a box of just miscellaneous parts here. And those 3-leg coils go on some of the smaller Briggs, as well as 23D engines. And a nice little intake. It's off of an older engine, not sure what engine, but it'll definitely go in the parts hoard. And then we have a magnetron coil. That never sucks. That's great. And then he said a 3-leg. Come on out of there. Oh, and a spark plug to go with it. Yeah, this would be a 23D. And other models, smaller models, used the same 3-leg coil, and that is replaceable. So Willie, awesome score, brother. Thank you very, very much. I really like that downtrodden plate, CJ36686. So I've got a big bag of coils to put back in my coil stash, and I'll put those in with it. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Wait a minute, there's something else floating around in here. Ah, glad I checked. Gasket for that intake. So we'll zip tie that to it so that they stay together. That's an exhaust manifold gasket though. That's an exhaust gasket. Still cool. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, takes care of that. So, some other stuff that I forgot to bring out and show you guys, the 1-inch PTO shaft covers that I use on my tractors, and a whole bag full of license plate holders in varying colors. And the reason I got these was, well, I got 4 orange ones for Garfield, and I got 4 green ones for Big Bill, and I got 4 blue ones that I'm going to go ahead and throw on Pearl. So that's what's going on there. Alright, but we're not done because I did a pawn shop run today Unplanned, but it still yielded some kind of cool stuff. See if we can't dig it out and I'll show you. First, a buddy of mine, Scott, collects vintage tape measures. I found this wide blade 10-foot tape measure. It is called the Big Chief, white blade 10 feet, number 3310, made by Carlson, and I paid a whopping 50 cents for it. 50 cents! Carlson and Sullivan, it says here on the back. And since he likes them, anytime I see him, I'll go ahead and grab and pick them up for him. Alright, now what else? This is a big bag full of wires. Well, what are these wires for? Well, if you look in here, it's just a whole bunch of wires that just go everywhere. At the pawn shop, they had something on clearance because a receiver was not included with it, but it still blew me away at how much they wanted. There are 5 more just like it. Excuse me, 4 more just like it, so a total of 5 of these Bose dual surround sound speaker cases. Okay, and then a big old subwoofer. Now what would you expect to pay for anything Bose? Lots of money, right? They're on clearance for 30 bucks. I couldn't pass them up. I can definitely use them out here in the shop and upgrade some of the other speakers that I've got plumbing sound around here. So got those. I got a $6 dolly. I know you can get them for like $7-8 bucks, but it was there, so I grabbed it. These dollies are invaluable when you're trying to move engines around. And I'm charging up the other thing that I got, so let me grab it and I'll show that to you. Give me just a second. I'm digging. Alright. Muncie Pawn's one of the pawn shops that I go to, and this has a big 1000 amp peak power lithium ion battery in it, as well as an air compressor and a USB port, and I just couldn't pass it up for not $35. I only paid 25 bucks for it. So we're going to put it to the test and see how good it does. What do you think of that? It's missing the clips to wrap the cords and stuff around, but that is not a deal breaker. Not so much, I didn't get it so much for the air compressor. I got it for the 1000 peak amps. I'd been carrying around a 600 peak amp Whistler jump pack. We've also got an accessory socket here, but I didn't figure that was a bad haul for a pawn shop haul. So that's it. I want to thank Willie and Wes both for their generosity. Never sucks to go to the post office and find a little bit of something in there after helping somebody out, or just because someone's got some extra stuff laying around that they no longer need and they think someone else can use. And I can definitely use the maple syrup, and I can definitely use the coils, and that intake may find a home on something. So that's it, guys. We're going to call this an unboxing and a pawn shop haul. If you're not already subscribed and you want to see more pawn shop haul videos, small engine repairs, stuff like that, and oddball repairs like I'm getting ready to do, just click on me right down there. And then here and here are a couple of random videos. Promise you guys, I will see you on the next one. Later. I'm out of here.